These K-dramas have crazy comedy characters and situations, and the hilarious moments shown in this drama will make you die laughing from start to finish. Here are the top 7 hilarious bangers that you shouldn't miss at any cost.
계약직 채용도 아니고 정직원 채용을 어중이 떠중이들을 왜 채용하시는 겁니까? 너 지금 뭐 하자는 거야? 무슨 꿍꿍이야?
빅똥을 싸서 대마구를
Number 7, Pegasus Market. This hidden gem follows a failing supermarket that gets an eccentric new CEO with the craziest management style you will ever see. The bizarre employees, absurd situations, and unpredictable humor makes every episode a laugh riot. The crazy CEO and his employees have done almost everything to save a failing supermarket that you cannot even imagine. So if you enjoy offbeat comedy, this one is a must watch.
재미, 감동, 희노애락, 카우스 전자 바로 그거 웹툰 원작 카우스 전자 지금 바로 감상 필수 카우스 전자 카우스 전자 카우스 전자 카우스 전자 카우스 전자.
Number 6, Gauss Electronics. It is office comedy where all the employees are retard, not single one of them is normal. And the biggest crazy punk is their own boss. Set inside a chaotic electronic company, this workplace comedy is filled with hilarious office politics, awkward romance, and lovable employees who constantly find themselves in ridiculous situations. Probably the funniest office K-drama ever made. Number 5, Good Manager aka Chief Kim. This one is another underrated banger that needs to be watched. The story follows a brilliant accountant who unexpectedly becomes a manager at a corrupt company. Well, our Chief Kim is not the ideal person himself, so he uses the most unusual and hilarious way to expose the corrupt ones in the company. And his style of doing it is so crazy that will make you die laughing. This drama provides sharp comedy, witty dialogues, and unforgettable lead performance, which makes it a must watch. Number 4, The Sound of Your Heart. Based on a popular webtoon, this series follows the everyday life of a cartoonist and his incredibly chaotic and crazy family. It is a sitcom where every character is so crazy that every little thing done by them will make you laugh non-stop like a crazy. There's not a single moment in this sitcom that goes by normal. Every single second of this sitcom is filled with madness. Every episode packed with fast-paced jokes, physical comedy, and hilarious misunderstandings that never get old.
지나치게 가까워지는 거 아닌가?
Number 3, Welcome to Waikiki. The story follows 3 friends who struggle to run a guest house while dealing with unexpected challenges, where they do every ridiculous thing except running a guest house. The situations and characters are so wild, crazy, and funny that you can't even imagine. The chemistry between the cast, ridiculous situations, and non-stop comedy makes this one of the most beloved K-dramas of all time. Number 2, Prison Playbook. Even though it sits inside the prison, don't let the title fool you. For me personally, this K-drama has the most banger comedy because there is no over-the-top situations and characters, just pure situational comedy. And that kind of comedy hits really hard. The drama is full of heartwarming friendships, unforgettable inmates, and brilliant humor. It combines comedy, emotions, and life lessons into one of the best K-dramas you will ever watch. Number 1, Modern Farmer. Taking the number 1 spot is the undisputed comedy gold Modern Farmer. This underrated comedy follows a struggling rock band that moves to the countryside to become farmers. And the most crazy plot twist is that they don't even know the F of farming. And their complete lack of farming skills leads to the endless hilarious moments, unforgettable characters, and one of the funniest storyline in K-drama history. So if you are looking for pure comedy, then Modern Farmer deserves the top spot in your watch list. So which one is your favorite? Comment below, and if you want the next part of it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you at next video.